Okay, so I was told by Mr. Savage. I started this build earlier today, probably about 7. I was in his Mr. Savage's Outlaws Come Join Us stream. I was pretty close to end, but my name is this Outlaw 9712 in there. I'm probably about to change that. Hold on. There, that's better. That's more like me. Actually, that is me, but whatever. Okay, so I first came in this Camino. Showed him what it was and everything. Oh, I need more money. Oh, I'll do that here in a second, but yeah, that's what I did. I'm probably about to go in this. Is it fully upgraded yet? I don't remember. No, I still got durability. Good to go. Anyway, it's pretty good. I'm probably, honestly, about to go into the desert in it and try and get some money. Because, for like durability and grip, it only takes like 6,000-7,000 to upgrade it completely. Oh, hey, crate way up there. Oh, by the way, guys, it's still like stock tuning. But whenever I do tune it, it's probably going to be built for power. Or torque. I haven't put diesel in it yet, but you can see that stack in the back. Anyway, I'm probably about to just hit up a run that I normally do. And it gives me a lot of loot crates. Never mind, I thought I saw one there. I know I saw one over here. Yeah, there it is. Wait, where'd it go? Did I pass it up? Oh yeah, I passed it up. Is there one? Never mind, there's not one up here. I figured there'd be one right there. There's one. I'm trying to get like parts because I only need. Hey, speaking of parts, I only needed one more part for my Mustang Fox body. I just got this game like 6 days ago, so and I already got like the Fox body and stuff. That's what I'm trying to get, or that's what I just got was the Fox body. I already got the Cuda and the El Camino. I'm probably gonna get the Nova next chance I get. Well, once I fully upgraded the once I fully upgrade the Fox body. Nope, not one back there. There's one back there. But yeah, talking about the truck. Well, Mr. Savage and this other dude, his name is the Monster. Is with money signs instead of S's. It's a weird name, but they told me to create a twin for their truck, and their truck looks exactly like this. So I was like, all right. I said, just let me get a little bit of money, and I will. And I got enough money. I'm just trying to get the durability up right now. I shouldn't have done the weight since I was gonna be doing for like max power and not instead of like for not pulling and stuff. But yeah, the route that I just took is the route that I normally take for whenever I go for like loot crates, because it's a simple run, pretty easy once you get used to it, and you normally always find loot crates in it. Okay, that was sucky jump. Or sucky turnover, whatever, rollover, whatever you want to call it. I messed up on it. I normally do pretty good. Yeah, that was sucky too. I already saw it coming. No boxes anywhere. Sometimes a box right here, but not really. I've only found it like once, and that was earlier. Is there gonna be one back here? Nope. Oh, out. What did I click? Did I click something? I don't think I did. Well, off-road outlaws sometimes glitches like that. Oh, never mind. I was getting the Mustang. It's pretty good whenever it's new. I already know what I'm gonna do to it too. How did I click dealership? Oh, never mind. I accidentally clicked it. I meant to click customize. Never mind, I won't change that bumper. I'll change this. Nope. Never mind, I won't change that one either. Runboard, no, don't put those on there. Roof lights, probably not. Deflector, I don't know, I might. Cage, no. I don't need a cage on it. Yo, let's go with, never mind. Let's go with these fenders. Let's just keep the ones that we own already. Looks good already. A hood. Probably gonna go with this one. Maybe no one. That's really not bad. It's not that expensive so far. Winch. Air pack for sure. Okay, it's really and truly not that expensive. I'll buy it with gold since I need that money to upgrade my durability on my truck.